This is part of our first day in Birmingham, and we decided to go check out MailBox. From outside, it looks like an office block, and boy, were we surprised when we went upstairs. Look at Lily. She's like, "Where are you taking me? I just want to go to the hotel. I just want to be free. Take me out of here. Take me out of here." She hates that bag with passion. But, we gotta do what we gotta do. She's our baby. And when we got upstairs, we were flabbergasted. Art shops, jewelry shops, luxury, art, design, lifestyle. Look at this, people just chilling, having a good time. We didn't really go into any of the shops because we had Lily with us, so I cannot really tell you the price point of some of these shops, but everything looks expensive and luxe. And the food, everything was just so beautiful, so stunning, so premium. And we went up again. He's always waiting for me because I just get lost. I can't walk straight. I walk like Lily. I get lost. I get lost in my head. I get captured by beauty, art, design, and then I forget to walk forward. These are the BBC offices. It looks beautiful inside. It looks huge as well. Suppose it's BBC Birmingham. Ugh, that's obvious. Oh, that's Nando's. Yeah, Nando's. The Brits love Nando's, and every time I'm like, it's South African, they get shocked because they think it's from Portugal. They're like, "What do you mean Nando's is from South Africa? Isn't it a Portuguese restaurant?" And they call it a restaurant, like a proper restaurant. They literally go on dates, they go to Nando's for dates. Okay, I'm not sure it's everybody, but young people, I think. Okay, I've never been to Nando's in the UK. I hardly go to Nando's in South Africa. Not anymore. Look at this beauty. Look at the view. So we came here to grab a young coffee before taking a walk around the whole Birmingham. So we went to Tesco Express, grabbed some coffee, and then we started our journey. I will attach the full video of our walk in Birmingham.